Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create PayPal account in Saudi Arabia. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser. You can do it in your PC or in your laptop. And first of all, you will have to search for the PayPal country worldwide. Now, once you search for it, you will find the first link. So you need to click on that link and then you will be landed on this page where you will see all of the countries where PayPal is available and providing its services. Now we need to find whether Saudi Arabia is in the list or not. So in order to find that, you will have to press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and in the search bar, search for Saudi Arabia. As you can see that Saudi Arabia is in the list. So you will have to click on this link or you can open it in a new tab and then you will be landed on the official website of PayPal or PayPal's homepage. Now over here, the URL will look something like this. We have SA in the middle of this URL. This indicates that this particular link or this particular website is to open the account in Saudi Arabia. Now click on this sign up button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Select whether you want to open your personal account or a business account. Then press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to make sure Saudi Arabia as your country is selected here. Then provide your email address and press next. On the next page, you will have to create a strong password for your account and provide a bunch of your details like your first name, your last name, and some of other details. So you need to provide your details and fill out your application process. This way you will be able to easily create your PayPal account in Saudi Arabia. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.